In the previous video, we have seen an introduction to React Hook Form. In this video, let us set up the React project and install React Hook Form within it. So I'll be using Vite to set up the React project. Earlier, we used to use Create React App. Now the Create React App has been deprecated, so we will use Vite for that. So the command is npm create Vite at the rate latest. This will ask for a couple of options. Now we need to create a React project, so let us wait for that option. The name will be, I'll give YT React Hook Form. This is a React project and I want to use TypeScript. It has created the project. Now I'll go to that folder and install. I'll run npm install. Now the installation has been completed. I'll open the project folder in the VS Code. Now let us run npm run dev and start the server. So we have the app running in the port 5173. So this is how the app looks at the first. Let us go ahead and clear the code which is not required. So I'll clear the CSS files. We will have some default CSS styles added later. And in the app.tsx, I'll just remove everything. And we'll have a heading called registration form. We will be building a registration form here as for the demonstration. I'll remove all the unused imports. So if I go back, I have this registration form here. I'll add some default styles. These are some default styles required for the form. Don't worry about the CSS styles. I will give you a link in the description below so that you can go ahead and copy paste this. This series is more focused on the form handling, not on the CSS. So I'm skipping the CSS part. Okay, now the heading is coming in the center. Now let us go ahead and add some form fields. First, I'll have a form. Inside that, I'll have a div with the class name as form control. We have defined this form control in the CSS. We have given it to be flex and align the items to the start and some gap and margin there. Inside this, we will have a label and then we will have an input field. The type will be text. I'll give you the name as name and ID as so as name. This ID I'll be using here in the label. So HTML for name, this label exists for this name and label is name. So let's go back. As you can see, we are able to see the field. Also for the form, I'll give you a class of form because we have some styles here. So now the form is coming in the center. So if I click on name, it is highlighting name. And I'll just add a couple more fields, which is email. I need to rename all these to email. Name will be email and ID is the email. And we have this email here and one more field I will add, that will be website. Also one more flag I'll be adding, no validate to this form because we will be handling validation using a React hook form. So usually in browsers, if you give some type as email or number or something, they will have some default validation. We are just disabling that default validation here. Finally, I'll add a button, submit button, which will input submit. I'll give a value of register. So we have the button here. So that's it for this video. We have just built a basic form here and added some styling. In the next video, we will install React hook form and bind this form with React hook form.